What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can use your wildcard chip in Fantasy Premier League. It is quite simple, so let's get right into it. The way you can use your wildcard chip is for making transfers, and let me explain what a wildcard chip is quickly. What a wildcard does, it enables you to not get any point penalties for transferring your players. Every actual player of Fantasy Premier League gets at least one free transfer per week, and then you can get another one through alternate means. However, you have at least one free transfer. This means that you will be deducted 0 points during that week for using the free transfer, and you only get one per week, guys, so be sure to use it smart. However, a wildcard actually enables you to use unlimited trades in a week without actually getting a point penalty, which is amazing. Now let me show you how you can do it. The first thing we want to do is click on the transfers button in the fantasy hub of the Fantasy Premier League app, and as you can see, it's pretty much at the top of the screen next to pick team. Click on that. Then what we want to do is select, for example, one player, let's say Virgil, and once we select him, a screen will appear in which we want to click replace. This is the way you make a transfer the usual way. Now you need to choose somebody who you have money to trade for example, let's say cash, and then you click next. After you click next, and the bottom of your screen, you can see the wildcard button and the free hit button. Sadly, I don't have the wildcard unavailable. They are, as far as I'm aware, given 2 times during the season, so once you earn it, be sure to save it for the right occasion and use it smartly to transfer players for free without any point deductions, so that you can achieve the best possible score. That's been it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in another video.